Hello, good evening. My topic is going to be based on my PhD studies. I'm going to talk about the Whastapp as a pedagogical tool for improving the pronunciation and fluency are teaching English. Because of my career as an English teacher, I have had to research some solutions for the big amount of problems that we have as English teachers. I am a professor in a public university, so I need to research methods, strategies to solve the problems such as the big amount of students in every single classroom. A language is made up of four basic skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. According to the chronological order of acquisition of a language, the listening skill is the first one because it is acquired at the moment that the baby is in the belly of her mother. Because listens, he or she listens the voice of her father and her mother. Later, at the moment that he or she is born, they are going to try to pronounce first sounds. Later, they are going to try to repeat some words. And finally, they are going to make a kind of short phrases and sentences. Once that they are in the elementary school or maybe in the kindergarten, they are going to identify some letters, and previous of that, maybe they are going to read some pictures or graphics. And finally, they are going to learn to write. The most appropriate tool in education or teaching a language, and in this case, for improving the speaking skill, we have a special application. This is the instant message application called Whastapp. Why to select Whastapp? Because first, it's very popular, it's very cheap, it is not very complicated for installing and also for using. One of the most important facts is this application allows to send and receive information in text, in audio, videos, memes, emojis, Word files, Excel files, PowerPoint files, PDF files. Is outstanding to mention that this application is accepted because of his price and the big variety of alternatives to have communication. Another important aspect is the acceptance for teaching, and here we have the next reaching works. This application was mentioned by Suarez in 2018 in his job advantages and disadvantages of the Whastapp. He collected research researches investigations from around the world in order to check what are the uses of this pedagogical has had in different areas in education. In Saudi Arabia, we have Alessani 2018. He also made an important research. WhatsApp as a learning tool, a pre-service learning tool for teachers without the presence of the instructor. So in this job, he tries to give regulation or maybe the effective independent learning, although developing these skills takes time and effort. Cartal in 2019 conducted an investigation of 37 empirical studies of the use of WhatsApp in language teaching in his basic skills and also in grammar, vocabulary, in general language learning, knowledge of collocations, prepositions, and any other important aspects. Surani and Chorodi in 2020 affirmed that the students through WhatsApp increased their English skills, and it was shown that is very useful as a tool or means to support the learning of English outside the classroom. Here in my country, in Ecuador, we have one very important research made in Spoch, a Polytechnic School of Chimborazo, where they applied the WhatsApp. First option was in 2017, and the second one in the 2020. They realized that this is a very important tool for teaching. Uh, so this is the reason that I am giving this kind of references for my thesis. I have worked with this kind of application for about 3 years. I have experienced that the students really improve the pronunciation and also the fluency. Besides, we can do another kind of exercises referring about grammar and vocabulary. I am going to apply, but with scientific methods, strategies, and to show the corresponding results for the tutor and also for the postgraduate department. We have in my university the Moodle, the Zoom, and also the Teams platforms, but according to my opinion, they are just a little complicated. And if we have students in public education, probably they don't have, they can afford a computer, they can afford maybe the internet service. So it's going to be one of the solutions to use the WhatsApp for students who don't have enough economical resources. This is the conclusion as only to give this kind of information. Thanks a lot for your attention. That's okay. Goodbye. 8 minutos. Bueno.